You try to edit your page with Elementor, but then it shows this message. So I'm going to show you how to fix this error using different methods. To fix this, we need to create a new page template file. But first, we make sure to create a site backup in case you aren't familiar with the editing theme files. So since we need to create a new page template file, we need to access our website files. So what kind of files? Our active theme files. It's recommended that we use a child theme. So how to access the theme files? We can use FTP or SFTP access or a WordPress plugin. First, let's look at FTP or SFTP access. Where can I get access to FTP or SFTP? If you don't have an FTP or SFTP account, you can create them in your hosting account or cPanel. You can ask your hosting company how to access your cPanel. Usually, you can access cPanel from your hosting dashboard. So here I am on my cPanel. My cPanel might be a different version than yours, so it might look different. Here I'm going to create an FTP access. So search for FTP. Fill out the fields. Make sure the directory folder points to your website. For this one, I just leave it empty so the directory is in the root folder of my website server. Now you can see your FTP account created. FTP information will show up under the Configure FTP Client tab. It differs what kind of hosting plan or hosting company you're in. Sometimes you'll have a default SFTP info. Otherwise, you'll have to create it. If you're in a managed WordPress hosting, you could easily find it in your account dashboard. For a WP Engine account, there's an option called SFTP users, where you can create an SFTP user. Now open FileZilla. If you don't have it yet, download FileZilla or any other FTP solution software. This software is used to transfer our files from the local computer to our website hosting server. So choose between FTP or SFTP. Depends on the information that you create. For this example, I created FTP access, so I'm gonna choose FTP. So copy the FTP information. So we are now connected. So I went into this location, public HTML folder, then open the WP-content folder and then themes. Inside our themes folder, we can see our theme files. Now, using the WordPress plugin, go to the plugins and activate the file manager plugin. We can just uninstall it when we are done using. Next, identify our active theme. Let's look at what theme our website is using. So we got website child theme active, and when we open it, it shows that it is a child theme to the Neve theme. Download a code editor. This will be used to create our page template file. For this example, I'm using Sublime Text Editor. On the editor, create an open and close PHP tab and add a common syntax, the / with an asterisk in between. it looks like the editor did not recognize my PHP syntax, so I'm going to change the syntax to PHP. You don't have anything to worry about this option. This is optional and does not affect our template. Next, add the template name syntax with a value that you can put whatever you want. For this one, I'm adding new page template. Add the get header and the get footer function. And in between them, add the content function. So save it in your computer as a PHP file. If your editor has no PHP option, just add a .php extension to the file. Now we are going to upload this file inside our active theme folder, which is the website-child. So I'm just gonna hold and drag it to the folder, and this will be uploaded inside. Now once it is uploaded, go to the edit page screen and refresh it. Under the template option, select the new page template that we just created and update. Click Open Edit with Elementor again. Now the issue was solved. Let's see another method. Go to your parent theme. For this one is the new theme. Download the page.php file. Open this file with our editor. Copy over the template name string but change the value. Go back to the themes folder. Rename the page.php file. Upload it to our child theme folder. Go back to the edit screen and refresh. Change the template to second page template. And click edit with Elementor. As you can see, it's working, but it needs to have a width adjustments. So this technique may differ theme by theme. If this method is still not working for you, go to the edit page screen again and change it to Elementor full width template. If that's not working again, you might be editing a custom page like the home page. For some themes, commonly this page can be customized on the theme's custom options or in the customization tab or customize tab. So you have to check this one if this is the case. So go to appearance, customize, and see if you can see any option related to the home page or front page. Another thing you can do is to create Elementor page and set it to home page by going to settings, reading, and set it as home page. Another problem with Elementor is the preview could not be loaded error, which is common when you try to edit the archive page. If you have an Elementor Pro, you can create an archive page by going to Template Builder, then Archive tab. If this is still not working for you, then you might have to refresh your permalinks. So go to Settings and Permalinks. And just click Save Changes. You don't need to change anything.